Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see what's the energy for you ngayong August 2026. This is your monthly reading. Okay, so let's see what's coming. So this is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para makapag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comments section. Okay. Capricorn. What is the energy for you ngayong August? Yan, my fellow Caps. Let's see. Pride. Oh, pride is your confidence. You will take pride on something. So, meron kang maipagmamalaki. Being proud of yourself. Hindi naman masama yun. Ibig sabihin, ikaw ay proud ka sa mga achievements mo, sa mga kakayanan mo, or you will be proud of someone in your life. Like, for example, may mga achievements, yung family members mo, mahal mo sa buhay, or even you. Okay? Compassion. This is about love for yourself, love for your family. I also see healing para sa'yo. You will be more in touch with your emotions. Alam niyo naman mga Capricorn, medyo, ang notion kasi sa mga Capricorn is matigas ang dibdib. No, parang walang nararamdaman. But you know what? Capricorn is one of the most emotional sign. Hindi lang nila yan pinapakita. Alam mo yung umiiyak ka nang nagsha-shower, mga ganun. Kasi they're just hiding it. When no one is watching, they're the most emotional. Mercury messages. So, maaring may mga important messages that will come through ngayong, ngayong August for you. Mercury is also about healing, part ng healing. Kasi alam niyo, Mercury, yan ang logo yan ng mga doktor, diba? Itong ganito, nag-assign. So, this can also mean mga thoughts, bagong ideas na magsisimula for you, or may mga naiisip ka na gustong subukan, gawin. Like, your mind is going to be very busy thinking about a lot of things. Kumbaga parang meron kang pinaplano. Overall energy, Page of Pentacles, new source of income. May pagtatanim, bagong simula, bagong career, trabaho, business, or investment for you. Now, your challenge is the Hierophant. So, ang challenge sa inyo is kung paano kayo magiging bukas sa mga taong tutulong sa inyo, na magbibigay sa inyo ng kaalaman. Kasi minsan, mga Capricorn, very independent. So, gusto nila, sila yung sa kanila manggagaling yung information or yung knowledge. But, hindi lahat tayo merong mas magaling sa atin. Na yung mas magaling sa atin, meron pang mas magaling sa kanila. So, your challenge is to learn from the expert. Learn from the people na nag-a-align dun sa gusto mong mangyari kasi nagsisimula ka pa lang. So, kailangan mo ng mga mentors, teachers, trainers that will, give you that knowledge na kailangan mo. And now, your opportunity, wow! You have the opportunity to move faster. The Chariot, mabilis ang takbo niyan. The Chariot is also about achieving your goals and dreams in a shorter period of time. So, may opportunity ka na maraming ma-accomplish ngayong August. Ay, na mapapansin mo, I think mapapansin mo rin yan na parang ang bilis mong matapos ang isang bagay. Kung dati, mga nakaraang buwan, nagpo-procrastinate ka. Ngayong August, ang dami mong ma-accomplish. kung ikukumpara mo sa ibang buwan. Yung tipong ginawa mo sa loob ng 3 months, ngayong August, magagawa mo sa loob ng 1 buwan. Ganon. Your blessing is protection. 7 of Wands. I think you will also set boundaries. Hindi mo hayaan na ikaw ay i-take advantage ng ibang tao. And the protection itself is a blessing. Kasi ano man yung mga projects mo, ginagawa mo, ano man yung mga bagay, sitwasyon, tao na gusto mong protektahan, protected yan. Okay? You also have the Three of Pentacles, which is about collaboration, working with others, contracts. O, diba? You have the Eight of Wands. I also see na meron kang makakatrabaho or collaborate, like makaka-business partner, pwede rin ganun, na you will be talking a lot about this project. Okay? Let's see what else. For Capricorn. Chain of events that will affect your life. Oh! Alam niyo, itong chain of events na to, it doesn't mean na ito ay something negative. Ibig sabihin lang nito na ano man yung mangyayari ngayong August, yan ay connected, konektado yan, no? Connect. Paano ba sabihin? Connected siya sa mga bawat actions na gagawin mo. Para siyang domino effect. Time to get out of the situation. So may mga bagay, sitwasyon na kailangan ka ng iwanan, na alam mo hindi na nag-a-align sa purpose mo or sa mga plano mo. Kasi if you will stay in that situation, mas makakapigil yan sa'yo, no? Para umalis doon sa comfort zone mo. Things will not always be this way. A change is coming. Oh my God, ang ganda ng message na to. Lalo na kung may mga challenges kang naranasan in the past months. So may mga magbabago. And I think yung mga chain of events na yan, na makaka-apekto sa pagbabago na yan, para makaalis ka sa sitwasyon na ayaw mo. Okay? So yung sitwasyon na yan, ikaw ang bahala kung ano yung mga ayaw mo na sitwasyon. 'Di ba? It will not always be that way. A change is coming. Oh my God, diba? New pathways. Consider whether you are happy on your current path. Diba, Capricorn? You will ask yourself, masaya ka pa ba sa relasyon, sa sitwasyon mo sa trabaho, sa ginagawa mo? May bagong pathway for you. Wow, and you will also speak your truth. This makes sense kasi may messages dito. Mercury energy, this is about communication, messages. So, have strength, faith, and conviction in your voice. It has never been more needed. Wow, Capricorn, you will be heard. Maraming makakarinig sa mga gusto mong sabihin. Lalo na kung ito'y merong maitutulong sa iba or makaka-impluwensya ng magandang bagay sa ibang tao. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.